Hey everybody. So we are learning how to go ahead and get speaking opportunities. And we're going to do that by being able to approach local libraries and learning about what matters to them. By researching them, we're going to align our message with their priorities. We're going to learn how to craft proposals, and then we're going to learn to connect and pitch to them. And it's a repetitive process. So you keep doing this, and then you are able to do so. So one of the things that we can focus on is we have this month, we're doing the library challenge, trying to reach out to 5 different libraries. And I'm actually documenting how I'm going about that. What are some of the challenges that I'm running into and how to overcome some of those challenges. So stay tuned. Well, the first thing that we're trying to accomplish today and right now is we want to be able to learn about the library. And the first thing that we should probably do is actually get a library card. So let's go ahead and share my screen and see, how easy or how hard that might be. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's involved in getting a library card, because you don't want to show up to your library and then find out that you really they don't you're not even a member or anything. So they'll say, well, how is it that you're connected to the community and you don't even have a library card? So that's why we're starting with this. So to share my screen right now, um, I am going ahead and sharing. Let's see. All right. So with this, I pretty much did a quick search and looked up in the previous page, I did how to get library card from, and then I put the URL to the library. And the first thing that I got was library card sign up month. So once it brought me to this page, what I am doing is actually, um, I see here that they have a card. These are the locations for the libraries. And here, if you are a resident in an area that they service, then you can get a free card. If you're not a resident, then you'd have to pay something along the lines of this much. So I'm hopeful that I am within the area of this particular, you know, uh, county of library systems, and I won't be charged. So I'm an adult, and then I'm just putting in my information. Okay. And then my date of birth. Okay. And now that I've put in that information, continue. And then I'm putting in the remainder of my information, right here. So now that I've entered the remainder of my information as far as my address goes, I'm hitting continue. And unfortunately, one of the first things that we are running into is that I am not in the Orange County. All right, it says that the Orange County offers additional options, and it looks like perhaps it's going to charge me. Okay, so change of strategy. As far as our first library, we're going to go ahead and try one within the area that does cover me or where I live. So after doing a little bit of research, I see that this is the county, Osceola. So we're going to go ahead and try starting with that one. And then maybe once we gain a little bit of experience, we might look at other counties as well. So now that we're here and we know which library we are looking for, we're going to have pretty much do the very same steps that we had done initially, which was to look for um, how to get a library card from this county library. So now that we got that search going, it's taking us directly to where we can get a library card. And now that we're here, which is the right card for me. So let's see what are their options so we can get that going. So from what we see here, the full service card, it looks like you have to apply in person. And we're going to go ahead and see still if there is an option for an online registration to be able to get the card. So out of the cards options that we see, it looks like you have to do it in person for the full service card. So instead of that, we're going to try the e-card, which gives us access to electronic resources only. And it says we can apply online. So let's go ahead and click that so we can do that. All right, so that brings us to this page, which is for anybody who resides or owns property or goes to school or works within that county or reciprocal counties, such as Brevard or Brevard or Polk counties. And then we go ahead, put the zip code, we put the city, and so we see that the city has more than one. Alrighty, so then we go ahead and fill out the information.